Alright, before I start this one, I just want to say, sorry I haven't done any videos on here in a little while. I've just gotten really busy with school and stuff, and I've just been really busy lately. So, I'm gonna make up for the absence of videos over the last couple weeks, and I'll give you guys two pretty good ones. So, here's the first one.
Answer the phone. Elvis Duran, the Elvis Duran phone tap.
All right. So here's how it goes. So Tiffany and her husband, they're planning a party for their daughter Gail, and they obviously had an understanding of the kind of little character that they wanted to come to the party and have fun with the kids. They wanted to have Big Bird at the birthday party. Well, Tiffany's husband and I, we had different plans as the different character that might show up at the birthday party for Gail.
Which pretty simple. Big Bird is Big Bird.
Yeah, that's not what her husband and I were thinking about.
All right, let's listen to Greg T's phone tap.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing? It's Ricky Ticky Tango. Hey, you.
I'm sorry, who's calling?
Yeah, my name's Ricky Ticky Tango. I'm calling about Saturday night. It's going to be fun.
Okay, I'm sorry, you're calling about the birthday party for Gail?
Yeah, so this is what's going to happen. So here's the deal, right? I ring doorbell, somebody comes to the door, so I come walking on in with my Big Bird costume, and I'll start...
I'm sorry. Okay, so you're playing Big Bird. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So you're,
Let me tell you, the music is on in the background, you see? And then, like, you tell me ahead of time who the lucky lady is, you know? At first, I kind of, like, do my dance with my hips from left to right.
Right.
And then I kind of walk on over and I start squawking and gawking, you know? And then I kind of, like, spread my butt right in her face, and she likes it, you know? And then all of a sudden, I'm like, I'm like naked, but I got like this little G-string thing.
No, I'm sorry, I've got to stop you. This is for a child.
Let me tell you, I bring out the little girl and everyone. I'll make them ladies scream.
What is the name of your company? I'm gonna have to get back to you. There's been like
this is entertainment.
Okay, so my husband was supposed to book this, so I'm just gonna have to get back to you. I'll take care of it though.
Let me tell you, you can take a little licky from Ricky Ticky Tango.
I just hope she doesn't divorce me over this or something. Guess who's calling me now?
Don't answer her call. We're gonna call her back on three-way, okay?
Okay.
Hello?
I got your message. What's going on?
Who did you call to book for Gail's party?
I called the guy. Big Bird's going to come at, 3? That's what you
No, Big Bird is not coming. Some creepy pervert guy just called me saying that he was going to strip for our daughter.
Is he going to come in a Big Bird outfit? Can we just keep his outfit on or something? He's going to strip. No. Okay.
Okay, do you think this is funny?
Call the guy back and just ask him to do the thing just without taking off all his feathers.
I don't want a stripper. Oh my God, you have lost your mind.
That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. All right, let's call her back.
Hello?
So I worked this out with my boss, and if this works with you, it works for me. I mean, it's still a Saturday night to me. Wait, hear me out. Maybe I'll be like the fireman, right? I come in with my fire hose.
Okay,
you see, I start slapping my fire hose around all over the place.
We don't want a stripper at a child's birthday party.
All right, so you don't want the fireman. How about I'm an astronaut, right? So I come in, my spaceship's parked outside.
Sir,
what?
Don't call this number again.
Listen,
okay?
I float. All right, she hung up again.
Hello?
I tried to call, but I don't know, the number was busy, so...
You had to do one thing. All right, there was one thing you had to do. You had to get Big Bird.
I got Big Bird for the record, okay? Let's not go around and around about
Stop saying that. You got a stripper.
It's actually not a real It's Greg T here from Elvis Duran in the Morning Show. And Tiffany, you have just been phone tapped.
I love you, sweetie. Come on. See the joke in this.
Come on.
Really?
This is Ricky Ticky Tango.
God. I am going to kill you.
Elvis Duran phone tap.
Ricky Ticky Tango.
You don't like the name?
No, I want to hire him for my next party.
Yeah, you do.
Yes, I do.
That's right.
This phone tap was pre-recorded with permission granted by all participants.
The Elvis Duran phone tap only on Elvis Duran in the Morning Show.